Oh, hold up now, I feel a little attacked. I'm not always late. I mean, I'm mostly late, but you know, when the main character energy kicks in, because you know the slate is going to be real, you kind of lose track of time. And I'm going to show you how to make the lace disappear, because this blowout, this silk press that I'm about to do, I mean business. OMGHerHair did their thing. And you know I have my music playing. I know I'm not the only one with a playlist. Yeah, You know it's a flex when your wig looks good when it's just air dried, no product in it. It's just chilling. Listen, I'm always gonna co-wash my wigs because I want the best silk press. Don't debate me on this. Co-wash your wigs before you install them. Thank me later. I'm starting off by misting the unit with the Kenmore Professional's Blow Dry Spray. I love this. It's like the luxury thermal spray that I love to use. And I work this through the hair. We are going to do that blowout. This is how you see the true volume on the unit. And honestly, I kind of love this look. I forgot to bring a bristle brush. I didn't even think about that. Okay, look at that blonde. Look at that multi-dimensional blonde. They really did their big one with the color of the blonde. It's gorgeous. Now, let's be fair. How do we feel about the roots? Talk to me nice. Okay, you can talk to me twice. Just talk to me nice. Tell me your thoughts on the roots, because we'll get into that a little bit later. Now, I can't silk press my unit on my head. I just feel like taking it off and just flat ironing it to perfection is the way to go. Like, you can't beat that. And I'm gonna show y'all this trick that I did. I'll share it on Instagram and YouTube Shorts, so make sure you stay tuned. But honey, I can do hair anywhere. And I'm gonna show you how I get down, okay? You can't stop me. And yes, I might be late, but still, the look is gonna give. Now, I silk pressed her to death, but I have to make a few touch-ups here and there, and then we're off, okay? She looks good. Now, I know you see my skin. I've dropped a skincare routine. Perhaps you haven't seen it. If you like how my skin is looking, I suggest you go tap that video in the top right corner. I'll link it in the description box. Give it up for my skin. Like, it's been a transformation, baby, and it looks good. Just like this hairline. Didn't pluck not one thing. And again, just to be clear, that root is inconsistent. You can clock me, but I already see it, so we don't have to drag it. Let's talk specifics. This unit is 20 inches, 180% density, and it has an adjustable and removable elastic band. So once I secure that in place and slick down the back of the unit, we're pretty much good to go. Let's talk about the lace. It matches seamlessly with my complexion, and I love that. That's less work that I have to do, and it gives so much more of a natural and realistic look. And if you're anything like me, you want ease with your installs. I like to use the Invincible Styling Gel for my installs. I want something that is painless, that does not adhere too tightly to the skin, and it removes easily with water. Again, I like ease. I like my hairline. And again, sometimes I like to switch up my style because, you know, I got a lot of personalities. But watch this meltdown. Crazy. No pressed powder, no foundation used to create that seamless match. This is raw. This is the lace. And yes, I like to use a combination of the Invincible Styling Gel and the Hardhead Spray. That's the holy grail, and that's how you get these results. And with an elastic band, anything is possible. I'm telling you, you need the perfect elastic band and to allow it to set. And then I like to work on my hairline. I have a tendency to go in with my hairline. I really like to show my artistry. I believe that less is more. I pull out very small sections of hair and I do my adult swoops. Get into it. Like look at how seamless I do this. And again, my favorite hot comb is linked below. I use eyebrow scissors to trim my lace and my hairline. It's a game changer. Now get into it. And you know, you let me tell it, I kind of been in my blonde era, you know. I'm about to switch it up because we're approaching the fall. And I got some tricks up my sleeve, but this blonde, I had a nice moment. Oh, you guys are in for a little treat. So I decided to add clips of me getting ready, doing my makeup. I went for a very subtle smoky eye. I'm using this eyeshadow pencil by Wet n Wild, one of my favorite drugstore brands. I love how subtle the smoky eye is because, again, this is blonde hair and I really don't want to do too much. I want to play more on my natural beauty. And when I'm getting ready, I'm just vibing. It's really me and the music. And doing my makeup is like a form of art. So it's very therapeutic for me. Again, I do have a little bit of a tan, so the foundation was definitely trying me. But guess what? It's going to match in the end. That's all that matters. And with this tan that I have, I definitely have to warm up the foundation. I've had to change up so many of my different makeup products, but shout out to my skincare routine. Again, it's linked in the description box, and my skin has come a long way. And I just love the finish of my makeup with the way that my skin is looking now. Ooh, and everything just blends so smoothly. Like, look at that. Now, one thing about it, you can get $30 off your purchase of $179 or more. You can use code PINK30. That's one thing I love about OMGHerHair. They always keep my coupon codes active so you guys can save some coins. I already put the code into the website, so I know it's working. It's up and it's ready for you all. And check out their website. They have a ton of different styles. My biggest critique with this unit would be to create a consistent dark root throughout the unit, even in the crown, which is super important because that's the most visible part of the unit. I mean, y'all saw that. I'm showing you all the angles. I do not try to hide the imperfections because if you pay, you have a certain expectation, which I completely understand. And I know I'm kind of breezing through this makeup portion, but it really was not that difficult. I don't know, this whole look was just about ease. I didn't even do wing liner. I kept it pretty minimal if you ask me. Now, I had to film this portion of the video on the next day because that's how late I was. But listen, let's just straighten this hair so I can really give it to you, like how I would have given it to you yesterday. And I love giving a bit of a behind the scenes so you guys can see the full look when I bring it all together. Definitely let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna have some content coming to my Instagram and my YouTube shorts, so make sure to check me out. Links to the unit as well as coupon codes will be listed in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what you think about the full look, and I hope I see you in the next one. Oh, and make sure you love on yourself just a little bit more. You deserve it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.